You may be wondering what affiliate marketing is and how it can help your business. Wonder no more. In this video, I'll explain the basic of affiliate marketing and show you what are the benefits of affiliate marketing. Did you know that affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money? Affiliate marketing is a great way to increase traffic and sales for your business. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You get more customers, and the other company that you're affiliated with, they get benefits from increased traffic and sales. Watch the video till the end to learn more about the benefits of affiliate marketing. Hi there, beginners affiliate marketer. I'm Yogesh. I'm here to teach you everything you need to know how to make money in this industry, specifically affiliate marketing. And I mean everything from finding a product to promoting a product to creating a website and driving traffic to it. I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work, but don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. My blogs and YouTube channel, both when they're the same name, Utilize Your Business, are packed with helpful tutorials that will help you, guide you every step of the way. So whether you're complete beginners or in affiliate marketing for a couple of years who are looking for new strategies, my content has something for you. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and start learning. And our video starts now. Welcome back. Affiliate marketing is a form of internet marketing in which affiliate who has a right to market a company's product receive a commission for each successful sale. Affiliate marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to advertise your product and services online because it provides two sources of revenue. You receive income from direct sale and revenue from generated by ad clicks. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of affiliate marketing in 2022 and how it can help you grow your business. We will also talk about best practices for growing your business to generate more high quality leads with less time invested. So without further ado, here are the 7 benefits of affiliate marketing. First, the ability to work anywhere. Yes, being able to work from anywhere is an amazing ability that affiliate marketers can take advantage of. With internet, affiliate marketers can work from anywhere in the world they choose, as long as they have a computer and an internet connection. This gives them a lot of freedom and flexibility regarding their work schedule. They can work during their free time or during the times that are best for them. Additionally, this ability also allows affiliate marketers to take projects from anywhere in the world, which can be an excellent opportunities for expanding their business. Moving along, let's talk about the second benefit: low startup cost and no need for inventory. In the age of globalization, digital economy, affiliate marketing is increasing popular way for beginners to start their own online business. It's especially appealing for people who don't have any products or services of their own to sell. Affiliates market other people's stuff from ebooks, courses to clothing, cosmetic, without any inventory or startup cost. And the best part, affiliate marketing doesn't require a lot of technical knowledge either. You just need some smarts about how social media works. Believe it, we all are on social media, and access to favorite internet browser. Starting an affiliate marketing in 2022 has many benefits. The two being the low startup cost and no inventory. No need for inventory. You don't need to have any products of your own to sell, which means you can start up your business without spending a lot of money. And since you're not dealing with any physical products, there's no worry about storage or shipping costs. This makes a perfect model for a new affiliate marketers who are just getting started. The third tip, ability to choose your own hours. That's another benefit. One of the great benefits of affiliate marketing is choosing your own hours. This can be a real advantage for people who want to work from home, or for those who have other commitments during the day, or people who have a 9-to-5 job. This flexibility can also help for those who are just starting out in affiliate marketing, as they can take time out to learn the ropes without having to worry about traditional working as a traditional 9-to-5 job. Moving along, let's talk about the fourth benefit of affiliate affiliate marketing, passive income with residual commission. One of the benefits for affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income with residual commission. Residual commission are payments made to affiliate after a sale has been completed. This means you can earn even if you're not actively working on the campaign. For example, being a membership or somewhere where you have to pay membership. Passive income is a great way to make money without putting in a lot of effort. Residual commissions can help to build up a passive income stream that can help you with the long-term financial security. So when choosing an affiliate program, it's important to consider the payment structure. Some programs must pay out only commissions on sales when made within a certain time frame. Others have different tiers of commission rates depending on how much revenue is generated. Be sure to choose a program that offers residual commissions so that you can continue to earn money even after the initial sale is completed. If you're looking for a way to make money without putting a lot of effort, affiliate marketing with residual commission is a great option. Let me know in the comment what attracted you to affiliate marketing. The fifth one. No limitation on what you can sell and how much you can make per sale, as long as it's not against the affiliate program terms. If you are new to affiliate marketing, you may be wondering how much money you can make. The answer is there are no limitations on what you can sell or how much money you can earn per sale, as long as it's not against affiliate program terms. You could sell a single product for $1,000 or 100 products for $10 each. It's up to you. Remember, there are no limits on how many sales you can make, so sky is the limit when it comes to earning potential affiliate marketing. Just be sure to choose a good product and promote it well, and you'll be on your way to success. The sixth benefit, there is a large community of people who are also in affiliate marketing, so they will have plenty of help and advice when needed, plus a potential for networking opportunities if that interests you. When starting out in an affiliate marketing, it's important to have a supportive community of people doing the same thing. This can provide advice and help when needed and networking opportunities if that interests you. There's a lot of information on affiliate marketing, so it's essential to be selective and find trustworthy sources. With a bit of work and perseverance, you can be on your way to a successful affiliate marketing career. And remember, when you're choosing groups, make sure you're working with the individuals who are, influentials, who are really great affiliate marketer and who have, backing of what they have said. For example, in terms of how many commissions they have made, or in terms of their previous experience of working for a certain company, etc., etc. If you keep on adding all this, it all points out to affiliate marketing, one of the better way of making side income, specifically when you are starting, and you can turn that into a full-time once you have replaced your current income or whatever income you have in mind before jumping into full-time. Let's talk about the 7 benefits of affiliate marketing. It's an easy way to start making money online without any prior experience or knowledge about digital marketing. All this information is readily available online. If you're looking for a way to start making money online without any prior experience or knowledge about digital marketing, affiliate marketing is a great option and the only option. All of the information you need is readily available online, and there are plenty of courses and tutorials to help you get started. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money while you learn more about digital marketing, and it's an easy way to get started without investing a lot of money. This is the way I started it. So if you are interested in making money online, affiliate marketing is a great way to start. Let me know if all of the benefit was an eye-opener for you. Let me know in the comment which benefit did you like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit the bell for notification. Those of you who are still watching this video and want to start a profitable online business, there is a 15-day online business builder challenge by legendary marketer that I recommend that you should join. Don't take my word for it. Click the link in the description and see it yourself what others have to say. And don't worry, it's not expensive to start. It's only $7 with a tons of resources and bonuses for you to get started on online business and be profitable. So do check out and let me know in the comment if you did end up joining this course. Wrapping up this video, looking to make money while learning about digital marketing? Look no further. than affiliate marketing. It's an easy and lucrative business model, doesn't require prior experience or knowledge. You can find everything you need online. There are plenty of courses and tutorials that will guide you through the basic, and a supportive community of people who have been successful in their own ventures. You can look at them at Facebook groups, LinkedIn. When starting in affiliate marketing, it's essential to be selective with the material that you consume to get from these trustworthy sources. With a bit of work and perseverance, you can be on your way to making money online in no time. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my channel, Utilize Your Business, and we'll be posting videos that talk about affiliate marketing and providing tips and advice on how to be successful in this field. So do check out all the videos do come out every week. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in next video. Take care.